Confident Group presents SIIMA Awards 2022. We are at the red carpet, Nama Bangalore. With us, we have stunning looking Maheshwari ma'am and Karthik sir from Tamil industry. How are you feeling tonight?
Well, we are very excited as always during SIIMA, and a special mention because SIIMA has successfully completed a decade, and I really want to congratulate dearest Brinda and Vishnu, and it's no jokes. And we're looking forward to much more of SIIMA.
I mean, you're looking absolutely gorgeous in this outfit and you're nailing the red carpet, I must say that. And how are you feeling, sir? I mean, how did you feel about Bangalore and 10th edition of SIIMA red carpet?
She said it all. Can't believe it's been 10 years.
Yeah.
Remember 2012, we had a blast in Dubai and 10 years have passed.
10 years has passed, yes.
Yes. All success to Brinda and Vishnu.
Thank you so much. And what is the most expected thing that you're expecting from the 10th edition of SIIMA?
I don't know, a lot of things.
Well,
Like performances?
Yeah, performances.
Any celebrities turning up?
yeah, well, all celebrities, it's still
Definitely
exciting.
turns up, yeah.
It's
Amal sir is coming tomorrow, so yeah.
So you're excited to be
Yes,
coming?
yes,
Oh,
very
much.
superb,
Of course.
superb. Thank you so much for joining us. It's great having you all. See you around in the red carpet. Have a great evening, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome to SIIMA.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Let's keep all that aside. We know that you're closely associated with SIIMA for many years now, right? What made you get this close to SIIMA?
Well, first, I think SIIMA is the only platform that has brought all of South India together, celebrating its cinema, and it's been doing it consistently for the last decade. There's no other like SIIMA, and every platform that can bring us together, I'm part of, so it's an obvious choice to be part of
What
SIIMA.
did you see in the early years, maybe 10 years before SIIMA started?
Well, it just keeps growing year and year, and we're happy this time it's not abroad and it's in Bangalore for the first time. We're very excited.
So you're very closely associated with the founders, right?
Yes.
So do you have anything that you want to share with
Well,
us about
about-
your relationship with them?
Well, about Vishnu and Brinda, I think first a huge round of applause for them, because putting together an event like this as an independent powerhouse is very difficult, and lovely that they've been able to do this so far, and I'm happy that I could contribute a little bit.
And the last question is, South Indian industry has been growing enormously with so many states participating, so many talented artists from across different states. Where do you see South Indian cinema growing in the next few years, according to you?
Well, that's going to be the first thing I'm going to say on stage, but
All right, we'll go to that then.
but I think we're just in the beginning of a really new era. Yes, for sure.
Thank you so
Thank you, ma'am. Such a pleasure.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Harish Shankar with us. Welcome to SIIMA, sir.
Thank you so much.
So, SIIMA has hit the 10-year milestone. How excited or how proud are you about it now that you're associated with SIIMA and SIIMA has turned into such a huge brand?
I'm excited in a way, even though I don't have any nominations, I'm here to celebrate SIIMA only. I'm here to celebrate SIIMA and cinema. I'm a huge fan of Vishnu. Vishnu comes up with a unique thought always, and it's been already 10 years, like he's coming up with such a wonderful thought to take the entire South Indian cinema on one stage. So very glad. Congratulations Vishnu and entire team SIIMA.
Okay, so would you like to share some good news with our viewers for the coming years? You have something planned that we can look forward to?
Yeah, the good news is me and Vishnu are coming up to make a film very soon.
Do you want to give some details about it that you would like to share? Only what you like to share.
As of now, this much is enough.
That's all. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.